Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad ke Sangmah ke Sengi Baal Lasam bat Aiti ya Shithi Thungkam Syaki Laispa sa pun Ngut ki Nonghikai Skul LP bat Palat pat ba ru ya ki teaching learning material kit balak tip kum ka judai pitara balak mang cang kena red badang rung skul Nongkong ya kini Shithi Thungkam la IT ha ka jing yalang ke balong ha State Convention Center Shillong ha ka jing don lang Menteri Katnat Pule Putih urakam sangma haba ai jingkren ha ka jing yalang Menteri Rangba ulaong bakane ka program kamde setia ka bakut tang ha ka jing sa mik Shithi Thungkam Shakinong Ikai School LP badang syuyok kam hinre ka deiru ka sengi ban pentip ya ka thong ba ka jing angnot jong ka sarkar jela
Desa Pisha Pengru Moy Hamtas Nongsin Wandi Pranglin W Ding Dong Daypor Lingshiang Pishai Borsta Maulong Bashailin Karbuli Next Grisha Jones Imle Lawan Shad Nokenri Marika Majau
On behalf of the
move on. Next we have a special section here.
and the joy of discovery and learning, from language exploration to nurturing numerical,
Also known as the TLM kit for preschoolers.
language learning kit, which contains items such as alphabet forest, sequence storytelling cards, and a storyboard with 2 stories. Animal discovery, measurement scale of paper, string and beads, number.
They've all opened the TLM kits. A very good initiative for all the school children, Meghalaya, especially the preschoolers, who will be receiving. I'm guessing it's about 30 to 35,000 kits. I request all the teachers to kindly come.
And as you assume as a teacher with a great responsibility, it should not be the ends, the final of your destination. But my friends, my young teachers, let me reminds you that is the beginning of your responsibility to make difference in many family, in many individual and in the society. Therefore today, as a teacher, my young friends, you'll be going out from tomorrow to serve the people, and you have to work with the full dedication and the commitment. But make sure, please do not serve the society only for the salary, with the times, but always please serve the society beyond the boundary limit of your official's duty.
We might be doing different things in different ways, in different positions. But then we are all here to achieve the same goal, which is to take our state and our people forward. And it is only achievable and only doable if all of us work together. I have always believed always believed that investment in human capital is the biggest and the most important investment we can make. I repeat this everywhere I go. If a nation and if a state is aspiring to move forward and become one of the most developed states, and also become a model state as mentioned by the Honorable Minister, it may take time. It's not something that will happen in 1 month or 1 year or even maybe in 5 years' time. It will take time. But until and unless we as a government, as a society, as a team, we don't invest in the right areas, we will not achieve those goals. And hence, human capital, the productivity that we want to achieve, the way we would like to see every young mind work to its highest potential, to its highest productivity, and not just become any normal person, but be able to really shine in the state, in the country, the world, if possible. What do we do to create that opportunity in the person's mind? That's really what we're working at. The most difficult times that a child faces in his or her life is a time when the child is above 8 years old and in adolescence, what we call, going into teenage. Especially in today's world with social media and the different kind of peer pressure that we have, different kind of distractions that we have, social problems like drugs we have, early pregnancy, teenage pregnancy we have. These all happen from the age of 9 to about 19. And again, in the teenage to the adulthood is a time when they are ultimately able to excel based on the foundations that we lay. They're able to excel in what they are going to do and become in their lives in the future. And that's when the opportunities, like for example, we have enough opportunities and infrastructure for education, for sports, for music, and for entrepreneurship, or anything that they would like to do in life. That happens, and then at the later stage, and of course then adulthood comes in. One needs to understand this entire life cycle of a child. And until we don't realize it as a government, just by doing piecemeal tokenism of giving you the appointment letter, inaugurating one building, school, changing the course, of course all these things do matter, I'm not saying it doesn't matter. But you need to see the big picture. You need to understand what we are trying to do. And let me tell you, while I explain that to you, Meghalaya is one of the few states that has actually started working on all the life cycle sections that are there.